Morning.
Good morning. Welcome to day 2. We're gonna head off and get some breakfast now. Head up to Cabanas, and then I think we're gonna go and find some characters.
Some marble characters.
Yeah. So I'll take you with us.
Finally got some Mickey waffles and some chocolate chip pancakes. So I'm finishing off with an eggs benedict and a plate full of meats basically. But there's not much room left in this plate, is there? Much room?
You need to start with this one.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Confident? Alright, fabulous. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
What did you say? What did you say?
Fill me up, Luther.
You weirdo.
Unfortunately, Thanos model hopefully that's how we may find him once again. When it seems like he's gone, how he always does.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you so much.
Where you going?
To the pool.
Got it. Enjoy that. First one, the cruise, isn't it? So, ice cream. I've got coffee because it is rather chilly. But yeah, it's nice to have a little chill out now, isn't it? We're just gonna relax here for a bit. You wanna read your book? Yeah? Yeah. In a bit. In a bit. Maybe in the afternoon because yeah, don't want 3 drink Hannah before 6 o'clock tonight, so yeah, by 3 o'clock that even works. Turns 12 o'clock and we're ready for it. Cheers. What did you want for lunch? What did you want? Chicken what?
Chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma. But yeah, she's called it 10 different things this morning.
What have you got?
What are you laughing?
I'm laughing.
What have you done?
I don't know then.
So a chicken what?
Oh, chicken shawarma.
Garlic aioli on top. Onion. Cheeseburger with fries, but the fries are actually for you, aren't they? So.
Oh, good stuff.
Lots of pickles.
Nice.
Let's get tucked in. Alright, Flip and Flop. And just seeing that someone's left us a cute little magnet. How nice is that?
on board the beautiful Disney magic. We're the ones who wear the lovely blue, red, and of course white. Yes, yes, please make sure that you stay away from white trousers and white shorts. I want to keep these white. It's a 2-day cruise, people. I want to keep them white. It takes a lot more than silk bang and a colour capture to put this back together. Number 6 in Thor, The Dark World. Which Avenger does Loki turn himself into while speaking to Thor? It is A, Captain America.
Told ya.
Number 7, which full-length Disney animated feature was the final one to use the storybook introduction for the film? It is C, Robin Hood.
You knew it. You said Little Mermaid.
I know.
It wasn't even an option.
Number 10, Phil Harris voiced Thomas O'Malley in the Aristocats. Which 2 other characters did he voice? It is B, Baloo and Little John. Yes.
Well done.
Number 12, what is the name of the sorcerer in Fantasia? It is B, Yensid. Because Yensid backwards is Disney. So do not worry, because we're going to be doing a similar thing, but today we're going to be drawing a Disney friend, which is going to be the number 1 duck himself, Donald Duck. Yes.
Oh my days, this is horrific.
Donald's beak to the rest of his head. So on either corner of his nice little smile here. Now, if you haven't already, you can go over there. I'm going to have to exit the venue now, as we are going to get ready for some bingo.
So, it's mine, and that is yours.
I think
I'll
yours
let you judge who's the best.
I think yours looks more like
If you
Donald
aren't here for bingo, that is absolutely fine. Train cells will
Yours is better.
All we're going to do as well is...
Baby, enjoy drawing Donald.
I'm here. Oh no.
Stop making a mess.
That's quite cute.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Not yours.
Rude.
I like his hat.
His hat.
I think his hat quite nice.
His beak's a bit weird.
Yeah, his beak is a bit odd.
It is a bit rocky. That's my excuse for the camera being wobbly. But that was fun though, wasn't it?
It was good. I would do that.
Where are you going?
Spa.
To the spa. What for?
I'm having a massage.
Oh yeah.
I'm having facials. All on your card.
Draymond. What are you having?
Going to the Rainforest Room.
Rainforest what?
Room.
Rainforest Room. Yeah, not the cafe. Just a little quick tour. So we've got water, iced water, lemon water, mild steam room, aromatic. You gonna try that? There's Hannah modelling the robes and the towels. Woo! Heated chairs. Oh, these are the showers, aren't they? Right. We've watched a couple of videos and we know not to go in straight away into those because they're freezing. Cold fog. Ooh. Lovely. Rain shower. Tropical thunder. Cold fog. Yeah, we're gonna get changed and dive right in. Hannah's in her element already. Chilling out. These are the heated chairs, aren't they? Ooh, that is warm. It's nice after being in the cold for so long, isn't it? Enjoying that. Okay, that's pretty cold. It's cold but bearable.
Does it go warm? It must go
Not
warm.
really. Okay. That's great. Not recommended. What's this one?
Tropic Thunder.
Tropic Thunder.
One of them sets to smell really nice.
That's not very nice. Oh jeez. Stop that. Can you stop it? Stop! Okay, I'm walking out of that.
They smell nice.
Horrible. Right.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Cold bad.
Cold flow. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, not going that one again. So you're trying the Rain shower. Go in then. Is that nice? No. Smells of what?
I don't know, it smells like.
I think the lighting is weird. It's because it's really green at the top. Is that okay now? Is it warm now? Have I warmed it up for you? Ain't you lucky? Here you got another one.
Yeah.
You need to press it on?
Yeah.
Can you hold the camera then? I'll do that. Not recording that. No. You're probably gonna get wet in that. Are you awake? Yeah. Relaxing. Nice and chilled. Nice these ones, aren't they? Warm seats. Especially because you're always cold. Yeah. I've been in the steam rooms and yeah, they are lovely. Just gonna sit back, relax now. Did somebody order room service? Fries. Oatmeal cookie and chocolate cookie. Because we're peckish. Anna's looking beautiful. We're off to the...
Theatre.
To see what?
Disney and Korea.
Yeah. It's like a combination of like loads of different characters, I think,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
All in one. So, I got it wrong last night. These are the spawns. They can give you petals as well. So we've done our slips, ball, servers, and hostess were brilliant. The show we watched was fantastic. We're not going to spoil it for anyone, but I think that's one of the best shows I've seen, especially on a Disney cruise as well. And we're back for the drink of the day. Times 2. What is that?
How rude.
Anna, it says stay inside the line. What's mine is amazing. It's a masterpiece.
What is that? He's got no neck. Why has he got no neck?
There you go.
Why is this
Thor and big arms, chicken legs, and then well, I'll run age 10 times 3. Times 3, yeah. Let's get myself a beard as well because makes it look so realistic then, doesn't it?
You take photos of
I got to say, these knives are amazing. The bread knives. They're beautiful. So you got focaccia and then roasted garlic dip.
baked potato soup.
And some bacon.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of bacon.
And I've got the serrano ham. So you got your special bolognese.
Yeah, give me that
I've got the beef and the tuna, which looks amazing. That's good. Oh, there we are. Here we go. And on the left, me next to her. The what?
Fudge cheesecake.
Fudge cheesecake. And I've got the walnut cake. Do I drink, Hannah?
Yes! Oh, woo, I was too slow though, I didn't make it. Welcome, my father mates! Number 2, our artist was... Spice Girls, and the song was... Wanna Be! Your scores, pop your your point total on the top. Let's do it. By way of round of applause, please applaud if you manage to get 5 or more points. Congratulations, you're winners of the 90s. Please applaud if you got 10 or more points. 15 or more. Halfway, 20 or more. Okay, we're going up higher, 25 or more. 30 or more. I'm jumping real high now.
Well, you didn't get any right. This is the end of one. All right, the last one.
Oh, no way!
I can't believe this has happened. Aaron. Is it Titanic? Is it Titanic? Albert, could you please come on down and reveal the winner of Snippets to me, please? I can't believe it. I can't believe this has happened. My whole career. 6 years I've done this, everybody. And yet have I had someone win a game by saying Top Gun and Titanic, but it is Aaron! Congratulations, Kathleen.
Hannah is just packing up. So we're moving staterooms. So we had to do back-to-back, so we're changing rooms tomorrow. So we've had a lovely day. We've really enjoyed the spa. Our skin feels smooth. We're proper relaxed now. After that, we've enjoyed Animator's Palate tonight. We enjoyed Fathoms as well. We did the quiz and then stayed on for snippets, which is quite good. We didn't actually take part in that, but yeah, it was just hilarious to watch. Amanda didn't get any questions right. Win the whole thing.
Shout out if you watched it.
Wasn't it Aaron? I think, wasn't it? Yeah, Aaron. So we're looking forward to going to Rapunzel's tomorrow morning for breakfast, and we'll catch you tomorrow.